Here we go again, my lovelies. Another adventure, a bunch of small projects. Little, you know, what are they, 3 feet tall? All made out of wood, solid plywood. Kind of ugly because they're on an angle, but you know what? You prime it, you paint it white, you add a set of sexy little legs under it, or some delicate little legs. These little guys were normally, is this upside right? Nope. $10.99. So $44 worth of legs can make things look cute, and I have no end of little handles, bin pulls. I've got black ones. I've got these. I've got 8 of these left over. These brushed nickel, and I've got knobs, and so, but 8 of those, and that's 8 drawers. So that's one of them done. Then I've got this little. Look at the top of this thing. It's like a Pringles potato chip. But how cute for a little 2-footer, a little 20-incher, whatever that is. Cute little table for the she shed, or put a pot on it, or have it anywhere. And then I've got this thing I picked up free. I've already sanded the waterlogged top. I think I'll paint those legs white and leave that looking shabby. So that's like 4 little items I need to like hit. Can't stand around talking, gotta go. Okay team, the gloves are off. The latex gloves are off. Look what I just accomplished. Legs. More legs. Ooh, that thing. A few drawers. My Pringles potato chip table. The box of one of the little cabinets. There's the other one. Now I've got 3 drawers there and probably 13 of them here. Like a little assembly line. Oh, love it. I also found some paperwork in there from 1981 from the Vancouver Island District Association number 3 Rebecca's big meeting. Yeah, I found that in there, and I found that a man called, oh, where did I find it? A man signed his name on here somewhere. His name was Norman Johannesson. Here he is. Let's have a look. Let's not look at those arthritic hands. Norman Johannesson, Rural Route 1, Summerland, BC. Yep. I think we can thank him for the construction of these little plywood boxes. Way to go, Norman. Okay, kids, it doesn't look like much, but this is another day and another coat. First coat of white. Cloud white. On everything. Same old lady painting. One more coat to go. Whoop, whoop. Same location, different day. Everything looks the same, but it's a 3rd coat. That is a 2nd coat of paint on the items. Look at that weathered top. That is raw wood. Yep. Box is done. Pringle table done. Yep, we shall carry on tomorrow. This is the day when we retrofit this with a piece of plywood. Hubby's going to put a piece of plywood in there, attach it onto this thin bit here, maybe these, and then put the very cute funny feet on them. Product. I've waxed the top to make it waterproof. I've shabby chic-ed it, scuffed it, and here's his little friend, all finished, shabbied a bit. That looks quite dark. I Put wax on that to make it waterproof too, so I could put a cup of tea on it without worrying. And we've shabbied it. And this is not the final resting spot for both, I don't think. But that's 2 down of the small project. Oh yeah. Pringle table, old stool. So there she is, with her fat little feet. Little porky feet. Looks like an Alice in Wonderland piece. And little drawers for your jewelry or your panties or whatever. Ooh. So precious. Here's the second little cabinet. Look at those sexy little legs. Very Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. I mean, just sort of Dr. Seuss furniture. Just looks so odd, but adorable. Hubby got all those little handles on. He made a jig for the handles and he attached the legs so nicely. Now, of course, they're not the same height because their legs are different height. It's kind of like a skinny gentleman with his little hefty little woman who's short. Yeah, 2 pointless yet delightful pieces. I'm not sure whether to sand them, distress them, and shabby chic them. Just not sure. I have a little bit of touch-up to do underneath with some painting. Under there. And there. Let's get to it. Okay, I shabby chic'd them. They just look more approachable and more kind of homey when they're shabby. They just look more usable. Look at those cute legs. I'm just gonna take them out to the garden house for a little photo shoot. I think these little beauties deserve a little glamour shot. Glamour shoot. So cute. All right, here's the glamour shoot for the little one and the leggy one. Oh, they're so cute. Let me get over here in this crowded space. This isn't even a good angle. But can you just see how cute they are? These are pointless beauties. Pointless, look at those legs. I think we need more pointless beauty in our life. Yeah, and I got plenty in mine. Lovely creatures. Mwah. Bye for now.